Hello everybody, it's me, Bo Shepasu. I am into mountaineering and ultralight running, and this bladder right here is absolutely a phenomenal reservoir for when you actually get to camp and you need to filter water. This is the 3-liter version. We have found this is fantastic for multi-day hikes. You can see that the webbing has been taken off to shave even more grams off of this. We don't really need to hang it on a tree, but if you don't care about those grams, you can leave that webbing on. It is pretty floppy, as you can see right there, and that's simply because the material is so darn thin. Look at that. And of course, because of that, it is very, very lightweight. So if you were to dump out the, liter that I had in there, you can see that it lays flat, it rolls up like this, very, very crushable. And so we're actually going to be doing Mount Rainier tomorrow, and we have taken it up to Mount Rainier many, many times. I just kind of wanted to show you guys how small it packs down, and I would also recommend, in order to air this thing out, you get one of those camelback dryer things like this that goes inside, and I'll tag this in the description also. It's just that it is within your best interest to make sure that this is completely dry after you clean it. So there you go. Hope this helps. Love this thing.